Hello, this is George Senda again, the guy from Pittsburgh. There's a house across the street. Here is this blue one. I like these old style, I don't know what they are, stucco or Spanish. And then this one, I'm just doing videos of whatever Christmas lights are left on the way home. This one is another one of those projectors. He had it last year all done up, but I guess he's taken most of everything down. Like the wreath, it's pretty. So I like the way the lights go. Look, they're going all the way up to a palm tree almost. So that's it. There's nothing in sight. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. Have a great New Year's. I was going down the street. I didn't want to film them, interrupt them. There were a whole bunch of people on one block. I saw it. They had like fire pits, barbecues, couches, chairs. They're ready for New Year's. Never saw anybody barbecuing on a sidewalk and having fire pits on a sidewalk on New Year's Eve. All right. I'm going to walk down here a little bit. So people who haven't seen this can see it a little bit as the cart goes along. And then we get run over. And we do flood here. There's a sandbag station sign there. There's my cart going into something. And way up on the hill is a house. I can't see it now. Blue lights. Nothing up here. Nothing down there. One string of white lights way up there. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Talk to you next time. Bye-bye.